Hey everyone, and welcome. We're back with another review of an affiliate program that I've never heard of before. Why are we here? We're here because I am looking at new affiliate programs for myself, for some websites that I have recently purchased, and I'm just frankly tired of promoting the same old products that I have been talking about for the last year or so. I'm also finding that once you start branching out, there are a lot of programs out there that not a lot of people are promoting, and they're actually pretty cool, and the commissions are significantly better. Like a lot of people, when they first get started, they start with Amazon affiliates and then find themselves doing a lot of work for a commission that is 1 or 2% with a cookie that lasts 24 hours. So in this video, what we're going to cover is similar to what I've covered in all the previous videos. There's basically three sort of topics. One is, what is the product? Is it a good product? Would I promote this product? Would I use this product myself? 2, what is the commission structure? Is it are you going to get paid if you do it? And 3, do I have the capability and the capacity to promote this? And maybe what could I do to promote it? So let's hit it. First, what is the product? Does it seem like a reputable product? Does it have good reviews online? Will you feel ethical and feel good about telling people that you promote this product? This product is called Treehouse, and Treehouse is a learning platform to learn how to code. Basically, they have tons of courses and content in here where if you join, and it's on a monthly subscription, you can learn how to code. And they say somewhere between 6 and 18 months you could use the experience that you gain in Treehouse to potentially get a professional job or develop products with your coding skills and abilities. I have to imagine that how quickly you are able to bring these skills to market has to do with how much time and attention and diligence you apply yourself to this program. But anyway, I've covered Skillshare, and I've talked about Udemy, and personally I've looked into what Teachable is, and Coursera, and I think Lynda. And this is just another learning platform that I didn't know anything about, and I actually think it is quite cool. Have I tried it? The answer is no, I have not, because I have never really had an interest in coding, but I came across this recently and I thought I would check it out and review it. Next, let's talk about commissions. So they have a basic option, which is $25 a month, Pro, which is $49, and the Tech Degree, which is $199 per month. They also give a free trial. Now, I'm not an affiliate for these folks, so I'm not here telling you about all this stuff because I want you to go and sign up. There are no links in this video for me to send you here. What we're looking at is evaluating whether or not this would be something to look into more than just, most of these videos are about trying to get people to buy stuff, and I don't care if you buy this. So what are the commissions? Well, to know that, we have to know what it is that Treehouse charges. They're not very upfront, honestly, on their website about what their commissions are. They say that the more you refer, the more you earn. My guess is that there's some sort of sliding scale. But what I did do is some other research to check out what other people were saying about it from having been an affiliate. And the news is actually fairly interesting. They offer a 50% commission on all of your sales, apparently. This is just me hearing this secondhand. So if you refer somebody who is doing, spends a year in Treehouse and they are on the $199 plan, then you can look to earn 50% of all of their payments over the period of that time, which I would say is fairly good. Now compare that to a software like ClickFunnels, for example, that I have previously promoted, and I still promote, and I still earn money with that program. Their basic software is $97, and then they will pay you 40% commission. But the hard part about ClickFunnels is that a lot of people jump into it right in that first month thinking that they'll start making money and they will be able to pay for their ClickFunnels subscription. Maybe it's something they couldn't have afforded in the first place. Maybe they shouldn't have bought it. But a lot of times they will only use the product for maybe 1 to 3 months, and then they will quit. So you as an affiliate, if you spend a lot of time and a lot of money trying to get this customer in there, there's no guarantee that they're going to stick around very long at all, because it is completely dependent upon them learning to make money and actually earning that money to afford the subscription. What I like about the e-learning platforms like Treehouse, for example, is somebody is coming to Treehouse, and if they do sign up through your link, it's because they understand how much it costs, and they understand that they're probably going to be doing this work for a while. I mean, you might get people who come in and they are gung-ho and fired up, and they do it for a month and then quit. But you might actually get quite a few people who, if the product is good, if the product is as good as it says that it is, that they could use and pay for this product for a year or maybe even more if they're getting their money's worth out of it. People have a hard time spending money on tools because it's really hard to see, you know, the value, like you getting back the money that you're putting in. But for some reason, people don't have any problems throwing money at education. They expect education to cost a lot. Like, why on earth somebody would go and spend $100,000 on 4 years of college education is mind-blowing, but people don't even think about it. It's just if they perceive the value is there, that this college, that this education is worth, spending $100,000, then they'll spend it. And I guess as an affiliate, your goal or your job would be to market this as that value being there, similar to a college education. In addition to the 50% commissions, they also offer payments for what they call leads. And you see down here that they have the button for start a free trial. And that just means that they have a 7-day free trial option, which is really great because it makes it really easy to get people over here, from your blog post or your video or whatever. You say, and no, risk-free, 7 days free, try it all out and then go forward. You have something to tell them to go over there and check it out. And then Treehouse will actually give you, now I've seen discrepancies on this. Treehouse won't list it online, but they have said, I've seen people say that it's $5 per free trial, and I've also seen it $12.50 per free trial. So as far as I can tell, they are still paying for leads, for people who are signing up for free trials, which I think is fairly unique. You don't see this happening very often. With ClickFunnels, you don't get paid anything until somebody pays ClickFunnels money. And that is really common through lots of other different affiliate programs. Skillshare is one where they will pay you money regardless of whether or not the customer eventually signs up. Creative Live, I think, is another one that they will, they will pay you if you refer affiliates, which is pretty cool. But I like the fact that Treehouse has referrals fees for leads, which is really great because it gives them a chance without having to spend any money in advertising to get people in the door and start trying to sell them their stuff. So as far as the commission structure and how that works out, I mean, I'm liking it. Now, could I promote this product or should I promote this product? Well, I don't use this product. And so without using the product, I'm pretty sure that I would not be a good person to promote it. I don't see myself in the near future jumping into coding. And so for me, that makes it significantly less likely that I will become an affiliate for Treehouse. But I do see that someone who was a user of Treehouse or just had the skills that they teach in Treehouse could go in and make pretty decent money with this affiliate program if they could figure out a good way to reach people. And my guess the best way to get there would be on YouTube. You could do a lot of tutorials about how to do things and then at the end say, hey, I learned how to do this over at Treehouse, and hey, if you want to learn how to do it too, there you can access their whole entire course load, their course library for 7 days for free. And after that, they have a basic plan that is $25 a month. And there's plenty of ways to get them over here. But unfortunately for me, because I don't promote this, because I don't see myself using this product, I probably won't jump on board and start promoting it. So that is the analysis on whether or not this is an affiliate product for me. I hope that you learned something for yourself as far as whether or not you would be interested in this affiliate program. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. And if you want to catch the next affiliate the affiliate program review, just go ahead and subscribe. Thanks so much.